came to see.
Collect, oh wale, oh one neck, back am body too correct. Oh no, Erima no forget.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Silverline's Beauty Playbook. So if you're here today and watching this video, it's possible that you've watched the other video and was wondering about how I got my look today. I'm on my way out right now and I decided to film this whole tutorial for you guys. I found this really pretty green off my Urban Decay palette and I just went with it today. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright ladies, let's get into this tutorial. Please do not worry about the products that I use in this video. I will go ahead and put all makeup products in the description box below. Starting off with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer, which is one of my favorite primers by the way. To ensure my color pops, I'm going to apply that all over my lids. And then I'm going to go in with my Lancome Tint Idole foundation. And this is so I can create an even base all over my eyelids. Going in with this beautiful bluish green color. It's from my Urban Decay electric palette and it's called Fringe. It applies blue, but throughout the tutorial process it turns into this bluish money green. Okay. I don't know when that happened, but it did happen. Going into my Sedona lace palette, this is my natural palette. It doesn't have a name, so we're just going to call it a brownish color. We're going to start out in the outer corners of the eye and work that all the way into the middle. I'm starting off with a smudger brush and then I'm going to go in with my blending brush to blend that all out. Blend, blend, blend. That is the key to any successful eye color makeup. Going into my Coastal Scents palette, I'm going to go in with this sparkly shimmery black and I'm just going to create some drama, okay? All over the outer corners, just give it to them. I think this is where that color became a money green instead of a blue. Something in that black turned it into a green and I just absolutely love it. It is gorge. Going back into my Sedona lace palette, I'm going to get some of that brownish color and blend right out into that lower eyebrow area just so I can create some transition. And again, ladies, blend till you don't see the beginning of any color and the ending of any other color. You want everything to look flawless, honey. Yes. Now for the underbrow area, I'm just going to highlight that area with a beige like powder, beige like eyeshadow, and that's just so that that area just kind of pops a little bit. Okay, I know I use the word pop a lot, but that's what's going on right now. We popping, girl. Money green popping. Yes. Now I'm going to go into my foundation. Again, this is my Lancome Tint Idole, and I don't know what shade I'm in, but don't worry, everything's going to be in the description box below, and I'm just going to blend this out with my foundation brush. And this is something new I decided to do, y'all. I was trying to create this whole concealer effect. I'm so afraid of concealer because I feel like you can just see it on the face. But I went into my concealer palette, got the same shade that I used for my eyebrows, and lightened up my lower eye area. I call myself doing something, but hey, it worked because everything looked gorgeous at the end of the day. Going in with my Nars pencil, larger than life. I'm going to line my lower lids and my upper lids. I line it hard enough so you can really see the drama. I've noticed that lately with my eyeliners, I really need to line that upper lid to really give that whole serious drama effect. I'm going in with my wing liner. I really didn't need much wing liner, to be honest, because that darkness at the corner, you really couldn't see the wings, which I'm not that good at wings anyway, so that all worked out. Go with my Bobbi Brown my Bobbi Brown blush to get those cheeks popping. Yes. And then my mascara, I go with my Benefits first just to comb out the lashes. Actually, that Benefits is all dried out. There wasn't much in it, so I just used that to comb out my lashes. Then I go in this Lancome. I can't remember the name of it. Don't worry, it's all going to be in the description box below, but I absolutely love this mascara. Yeah, it's called Big Monseiur. Oh Lord, it's the best, honey. Get you some real quick. Going in on my lips, I'm gonna be mixing 3 colors. I started out with Trouble. and it's kind of like an olive brown. And then I go in with Saint, tap that in and smear it around, mix it in. And then the last color is going to be Buffy, and this is more like a nudish, but it's a really bright nude. So all those three colors together gave me exactly what I was looking for. My lip colors are from Lancome. Starting out with this hair, honey, excuse you. So yes, I wore my Bantu knots in for a couple of days. That's why they look a little tired, but we're gonna work on it. We're gonna work it because the curls are still popping and they still bouncing, as you can see. So I'm just gonna take my time, separate those curls as much as I can without ruining the curls. This, to be honest, guys, this was actually a Bantu knot fail, okay, because I've had better Bantu knots, and this one just happened to be a fail, and we are just working with it here. Some of the curls were really frizzy, and that was my bad, but I think all in all the look came together. So I just tease this a lot with my fingers, and once in a while I'll put a comb in there. You might not see that in this video, but I use my Y2 comb to relax some of those curls a little bit, and then I go with my brush to snatch them edges, and voila.
Oh, collect, oh, wale, oh, connect, back am body too correct. Say she love me, yeah, love it. Sensima, why they for her? Benzema, why you want $1? Sensima, this kind dance, you the dance, I'm doing the singing, you doing the dance.